Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Wednesday shared important updates. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said that it is a constant endeavor to reduce the number of COVID-19 deaths in the state. I've issued directions to our Directorate of Health Services team in view of the same. With dedicated COVID hospitals and GMC providing all possible assistance, we can and we will overcome this phase. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant appreciated a Goan youngster Devendra Gavas from Keri Sattari who has successfully grown garlic, pumpkin and other vegetables on a large scale. CM took to social media and said the following: I have a strong belief that Goan youth have immense capacity to overcome challenges and become role models. I'm glad to learn that a youngster, Devendra Gavas from Keri Sattari, has successfully grown garlic, pumpkin and other vegetables on a large scale. I assure that this government will support Goan youth in such endeavors. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant thanked PMO and Shripad Naik for successfully passing the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda bill in the Parliament. Here's what CM said on social media. Thanks PMO and Shripad Naik ji for successfully passing the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda bill in the Parliament. This unified institute will help in creating a pool of trained support staff as nurses and pharmacists in addition to Ayurveda graduates. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant congratulated Vivek Naik and Sapna Poy Anglo on receiving Kaushal Acharya Award 2020 from Government of India. Here's what CM said. Hearty congratulations to Shri Vivek Naik and Srimati Sapna Poy Anglo on receiving Kaushal Acharya Award 2020 from Government of India. Your commitment and dedication towards creating a skilled workforce in Goa is an inspiration for all. On Tuesday, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant chaired a video conference meeting along with Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane to review the overall COVID-19 management in the state. CM spoke to health officer, doctors of government hospitals, PSCs, USCs, CSCs and officials of state administration assigned for COVID-19 management about creating awareness among people for being watchful regarding symptoms. Joint efforts of administration, healthcare workers and people is the need of the hour to overcome this pandemic, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.